Hello viewers, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about horizontal scroll view in Android. So what is horizontal scroll view? How does it works? Horizontal scroll view allows the children in horizontal way, where it as usual, just like scroll views, it allows direct single child only. It will not allow multiple children. But here, the linear layout with horizontal orientation can be your direct child. For that, you can add any number of views inside that particular layout. Now let us see a simple example. I'm taking image views. So now when you scroll here, you can see the scroll bar and where it will be scroll vertically. Now let's create a project. Go to Android Studio, File, New Project, select empty activity, name it as horizontal scroll demo. Click on finish. It will take some time to build our project. Configuring the project, scanning files. The project has built successfully. Now change the layout view to code and split. So you can see this. So when you're working with the scroll view, you have a direct child like scroll view, direct parent. Now when you're working with the horizontal scroll, we have horizontal scroll as a parent. Inside this, I'm going to add images. So for that, I need to have those images, what I'm going to use for this project inside my drawable folder. So I have not yet set anything. Now just go to your file and get images or the icons what you are using. Just copy them, paste it in the drawable folder. Please make sure that you are taking the supported file extensions. You see here for this, so there is a remove this Cheetah because it is JPEG. Now inside this, I'm going to add an image view. Open angular bracket, image view. Width is wrap content, height is also wrap content I am taking. And content description is mandate to avoid warnings. And the source of this image is also required. That comes from the drawable folder. I'm just taking lion. I got this. And close your tag. Now when you see this in your preview, this is how it looks like. As per my expectation, it should be vertically centered. So now let's set the layout gravity. Let's make it center vertical. So after this, again, add one more image view. Just copy this, paste it, and reference of the drawable icon, control space, take elephant. So there is a warning here if you see. Scroll view can have only one direct child. So we already know that is a primary rule. So what I have to do, just put this inside your, even you can, when you place your mouse pointer here on the warning of your horizontal scroll, it will give you this. A scroll view can have only one child. So now put these two image views inside a linear layout. Linear layout, width match parent, height wrap content. So let's close the opening tag. And the closing of this linear layout is going to be before the closing tag of horizontal linear layout. Now you can see this here. But the problem is like what he's saying, layout width match parent should use width as wrap content. So this is why we say Android Studio is a smart and intelligent. I didn't set any orientation, but it's showing horizontally because the default orientation for the linear layouts is horizontal. But to avoid such congestions in the near future, so please make sure that you are giving the orientation as horizontal. And these two images are bumped to each other. So now are attached. So let's have some margin right or margin end to be 8 dB for the better visibility between all this. Now let's run your project and check how does it looks like. But before that, let's cap. For the second also add the margin. Now let's copy these two image views and add it again for two more times or one more time. So this time it's going to be deer taking rhino. Now run your project, open the emulator, run the project. The Gradle build is running now. Installing launching activity. So, but though in my preview it's working properly, but remaining all are not working properly. Why? Let me check. Instead of adding a layout gravity center for all this, because previously before adding this linear layout, so it was working. But when I added this, it's not working properly. What should I do now? Just change this layout gravity and paste it here. Let me check. Though it's not working. Why? Instead of layout gravity, I should take gravity. That's all. Because all these are going to be, this linear layout is going to be the child of this particular parent horizontal scroll. So you should take gravity. But why it's not working? Just remove all this. So as usual, Control R and replace with empty. Just replace all. Everything has been done. Run your project. Okay. But still, I can scroll. You can see here at the bottom you have a scroll bar here, horizontal scrolling. Why this is not working? Now already I told you in my previous sessions, whenever you want to change this in the linear layout, the alignment, change height and width to match parent to wrap content or wrap to match. Now let's change this to match parent. Automatically this is going to work. Run your project again. This time it's working perfect. So you can scroll like this. But for the first image view, it's not showing properly because of this margin start is also given so that it looks like patched up to the corners. Now done. Run your project once again. You'll see the output. So here it is, well aligned. Now you can scroll back and forth. This is how we work with the horizontal scroll views in Android. So we have a special scrolling, that is horizontal scrolling. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's catch up in the next session.